As an accredited agency, we understand the importance of data and good data to show demonstrated performance so that we can improve on a daily or yearly basis. And on July 1 of 2015, we started importing into our RMS system auto Enroute and auto arrive data. I think the efficiency came from understanding we have good data, and because from the time the call hits the 911 center until we put a fire apparatus on the curb, there are multiple timestamps or multiple segments of time we want to evaluate. And so now that we have a consistent starting point in the CAD system for dispatch, and we have a consistent starting point for Enroute and Arrive, we have good data to make those decisions. On the end user side, it's one less thing the end user has to remember to do. Our end user never touches the mobile to check en route. They never touch the mobile to arrive themselves. So they spend more time focusing on what they're there to do. In the cab of that truck, there's so many things to remember. And the problem in the past was you pull up on a scene, there's a lot going on through the windshield, you see heavy fire, and you just fail to touch that button to say that you have arrived. Well, eventually, the 911 operator would recognize that you were on scene and may put you on scene, but that could be 2, 3, 10 minutes later. And today, with the auto arrive feature, that feature is going to kick in. The percentage of times that we're getting accurate on scene and en route data is 99% of the time. During the development phase, I was in almost day-to-day contact with the development team and the programmers, making changes to the application. They would ship me a new executable to use in a test environment. We would do the testing a lot of times in production because behind the scenes it was capturing times while we were continuing to do business as normal. The nice thing is they have support staff and development staff that are listening, but you also have a huge number of employees that have personal public safety experience, and that is huge. There is a lot of experience in that area, and I think that, to me, gives a little leading edge. And support. You've got to have the support. You've got to have a team that's willing to listen to what the end user wants and try to move forward in that direction.